Hello guys, so today we have F&D A110 2.1 speakers. We are going to unbox it and review it how it is. So let's begin. Let's unbox it first. So we have a quite big Amazon packing here. I ordered it from Amazon at around range of 2500. You can get it from Amazon, Flipkart as well as from offline market. This can be the best portable speakers which you need right now. So let's look at it. This comes with the nice packaging and the box looks very good. This is A110 model. These are some of the features mentioned in the box, as it is having deep bass, ease of ease and so many things. So these speakers give us the RMS output of 70 watt and the PMPO output of these speakers is almost 3000 watt as per the specifications. So what we get in the box is firstly a user manual and a quick start guide, along with that 2 satellite speakers and 1 subwoofer. Let's take a look at the subwoofer. Oh, we get a RCA to 3.5mm cable also here. So this comes with a beautiful design, as you can see. This subwoofer comes with the dimension of 19.8 by 21 by 18.8 centimeters. Looking at the back side of the subwoofer, we have a model name mentioned along with the volume and bass controller. We have RCA ports and along with it a power switch as well, from where you can turn power on and off. Maximum 13 watt of RMS output we are going to get here by this subwoofer. Let's look at the satellite speakers. We have 2 satellite speakers with the same design of the subwoofer. So the dimensions of satellite speakers are 12.8 by 11.6 by 11 centimeters. Maximum 11 watt of RMS output we are going to get from a single satellite speakers. So combined with both the satellite speakers, we are going to get 22 watt of RMS output. So totally 70 watt of RMS output we are going to get here, as I mentioned earlier. Friends, don't get confused between RMS and PMPO output. You can Google it out what's the difference between RMS and PMPO output. So for installation of this speaker setup, it's very easy to set it up. We just have to plug in the RCA plugs that are coming out of the satellite speakers into the subwoofer as per the color code. And also the cable that comes along with it, that is the RCA to 3.5mm, you have to plug it in the audio output, and that's it. You are ready to start. You can use your mobile or computer also for the testing. Also you can connect it to the laptop. Whatever is having 3.5mm jack, you can use it there. Just one flaw we have here is we don't have the Bluetooth connectivity. As mentioned on the box, these are the computer speakers, so you can use it with your computer, also with your laptop. So speaking about the sound quality, I tested it out with the maximum volume. So the sound quality is very loud and clear. The bass quality is also nice here. We can feel the thumps. As per the price range, this can be the best desktop speakers for you. If you have purchased it and already using it, kindly let me know in the comments. That's it for today guys. Please give a like for the video, comment on it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video.